Hi, and welcome to another episode of Virguez Law TV. Today we have our special guest. Her name is Monica Mora, and she's a young woman who suffered a car accident. Not a total loss, but she wants to let us know the importance of having the right people next to you. Hi, Moni, how are you?
I'm very well, thank you so much, Dani, and thank you for having me.
Great. So the first question is, how did you find out that Virguez Law could help you?
So I had seen a lot of their marketing around, and I checked out their reviews, and I saw that they did personal injury and immigration. I looked them up, I gave them a call, and immediately from the start, I felt at ease. Like you said, it wasn't a total loss car accident, but it was a very strong fender bender where my fiance, my mom, and I did have to go to the hospital afterwards. So after speaking with Virguez Law, they guided me towards the right direction, what treatment I had to get, and everything's been pretty great.
Did you have a consultation with the lawyer about your injuries?
Yes, we had a one-on-one consultation. I explained everything that I was feeling, how the accident was, that it was a strong fender bender. Like you said, it wasn't a total loss, but they guided us towards the right directions and what treatment we needed to get. And when I say we, like I said, my fiance and my mother and I.
Did they follow up with you regularly at the beginning of your treatment?
Yes, absolutely. Via text messages, phone calls, video chats. We've been in communication from the very beginning, making sure that we had the appropriate treatment, that things were going well. It's very important that you stay in communication with your attorney and you make sure that they know exactly what you're going through. You want to make sure that they have the proper tools and documents for a great settlement.
Can you tell us a little bit more about the treatment that you received?
Yes, absolutely. So the treatment I received with Dr. Omar has been phenomenal. He walked me through the entire process of how I was going to be feeling during the process, because you kind of find out that your body does a lot of different things when it's injured. I had really bad back, shoulder pain, lower back pain, and through my treatment, I have been feeling great. I now feel amazing. I can sleep at night. I don't have those strong pains like I had before. My treatment went from coming 3 times a week down to 2, now down to 1, and I am this close to finishing my treatment.
Oh, great.
And like I said, I feel great, and the process has been seamless.
So it's been more than 2 months after your accident. Can you tell us more about how they've been in touch with you on a regular basis?
Yes. So Virguez Law has been in touch with me via text, via email, via consultations, through Skype. They've been in touch with me through the entire process. Of course, my car was damaged, so my car had to get repairs done. They handled everything with talking with the body shop, talking with the car rental. They handled everything beautifully. There was some issues with the insurance company, but clearly there's no control over how the other company's going to handle things or work with things. But Virguez Law has been great. I've been in touch with Juan in the office, and of course Sudi's been amazing, and I can't be more than thankful with how they've handled everything. And once again, it's so important to stay in touch with your attorney during a process like this to make sure they have the right documents and tools for a great settlement.
Thank you, Monica, for being an amazing guest for us today.
Thank you.
I appreciate the information that you have given us. Thank you guys for continue watching Virguez Law TV. See you on the next episode.